Welcome to the MadLearn home screen tutorial. The home screen is your starting point for an informational app. It includes your main topics. Think of it like a book's table of contents. The home screen template will be displayed when you first open the build phase. There is a default button labeled About. It's recommended to include a screen that gives the user an overview of your app. Click Add Button to bring a new button to the screen. It will be labeled Button Text, and an editor for that button will appear at the right. Start by changing the button text to your first main topic. Then repeat the process to add the rest of your buttons. Notice that various properties can be changed but will be specific to the selected button. Once other screens have been built, they will be displayed in the Link Screen options. And selecting the destination screen to the button will link the two. You can confirm this by opening the app preview and clicking on the Now Active button. Now you're ready to explore, build, and link more screens. Good luck!